Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holders? So I have one good news and one bad news for all Shiba Inu holder, my brother. The first good news is that, my brothers, to the Shiba Inu giveaway is coming soon now. So if you want to participate, so just only click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification when I make special videos. So every stay tuned, my friend. You absolutely YouTube will give you a notification now. So kindly subscribe. And the second, the bad news is that, my brothers, to this time the price is very badly fares down. So there can in this video, my brother, we will talk in the upcoming time. There is a chance to Shiba Inu price increase, and they will give you a profit or not, my brother. First of all, try to understand, my brothers, to after a fails, every coin take a jump, and after a jump, every coin fails down. So therefore, my brother, I will notify you, my brothers, to please understand now. All right, so as you can see, my brother, I draw two lines. The line one, you can see, touch the highest. The said line two, my friend, touch the lowest point. So this time, as you can see, my brother, fails down, and after that they will take a jump, and after that they will again fails down, and absolutely there is a chance to upcoming time Shiba Inu price will be increasing, but the current condition is very critical now. So there is a chance so they will fails down more, but when they will starting moving upwards, so they will take a very huge jumps now, and absolutely I'm 100% sure to after this fail they will absolutely take a jump now. So please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time Shiba Inu will give you a profit, because, my brother, every coin will starting moving in upward direction at the end of month, but in the start of month every coin fails down. So therefore I think Shiba Inu is also fails down. So kindly participate now, and giveaway is coming soon. So please, hope you enjoy video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.